microbial protein, then soya protein, fish meal, corn gluten meal, so different kind of ingredients. And this is a part of export. Export started in 12 years ago. Now we're exporting in different countries, but the number of countries is increasing because the BioServe, a product that we are going to speak later, is a product that has European registration, so it's a product that's specific for European market. And today, step by step, we are increasing the number of countries we are working in, because we are starting to sell in other European countries where in the past we were not present. This is the geographic area where we are working. North America, in Europe, all over, in North Africa, also in South America. Okay, this is the plant, the production plant that has been built in 2012. The plant has been built in two phases. In the first moment, in 2012, was built just this part, that was the production plant. The second part, that is a warehouse, is very new and arrived later in the... Okay. So as I told you, it was a big step, no? When Mastroeni decided to have his own production. And the reason why he decided to do this is because having third producer, he was not able to control the quality. He didn't have enough quality production in terms of quantity, and